What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Habib, a Ghanaian living in Côte d'Ivoire. On this channel, we talk about real life in Africa, travels, culture, and survival tips for foreigners. If you are living in Côte d'Ivoire or planning to move in here and you are confused about the residence permit, whether it is 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, then make sure you watch this video till the end. I've done a video about residence permit before, and someone commented from Canada asking if it is possible to get a residence permit in Côte d'Ivoire here for 1 year. So I have someone in the police station. I've spoken with that person to get more information. So at the end of the day, I also ended up renewing my old residence permit because it is expired. Unlike other countries that have different types of residence permit, in Côte d'Ivoire, he said it is only 6 months and can be renewed after every 6 months. So finally, I'm at the police station. I'm able to ask, the questions that I wanted to ask. Told me to do it here. It is 2,000, and you can do the residential permit for, he said, 6 months. After every 6 months, it will expire, and when it's expired, then you have to renew it. Another 2,000. It's not expensive, and the guy from Canada who asked that whether you can do it for 1 year or not, they said no, it is only for 6 months. And if you want to do it, you can go to any police stations, but the fare or the fees might vary. Now, what are the necessary documents that you need to get your residence permit in Côte d'Ivoire as a foreigner or a Ghanaian watching me? Normally, about the documents, you will need something like your national ID card. If you are Ghanaian, your Ghana card. If you are Nigerian, your national Nigerian ID card. And wherever you are watching me from, your national ID card can be used to get a residential permit. Now, aside the national ID card, you can also use your consulate card. This consulate card can be done at your consulate in Côte d'Ivoire here. So let's assume you are from Canada. The Canadian consulate or embassy in Côte d'Ivoire here is where you have to go with your national ID card to the consulate in Côte d'Ivoire here and get your consulate card. So this will serve as your national ID card in Côte d'Ivoire as a foreigner. Just like in Ghana, we have Ghana card, right? And we have Ghana card for foreigners. So here is my Ghana card, which I can use to obtain the residential permit. So you can use your Ghana card to get a residential permit in Côte d'Ivoire. You can also use your consulate card to get a residential permit in Côte d'Ivoire. If you're a bit confused about the consulate card, I'm also going to do a full video on how to obtain your consulate card. One mistake people make is waiting till the last minute or not doing it legally. This can cause serious problems, especially during police check. So imagine you entered the country, stayed for over 1 year, you don't have a residential permit. Now you decided to go out and tour, maybe visit a zoo or something like that, and they realize you are not from Côte d'Ivoire, you are a foreigner. Started asking you questions, asking documents. Because you've been here for more than 1 year, by all means, they'll ask you of your residential permit. Bro, do you have it? If you don't have it, then that's a total disaster. And that's when you realize you should have done it earlier before visiting that zoo. If you're watching me from Canada, Europe, Ghana, and planning to move to Côte d'Ivoire, then you have to know that your residential permit duration is 6 months and can be renewed after every 6 months. 6 months only. Now, this is a disclaimer. It is very, very important. I'm not a police officer. I'm just sharing real experience and information to help you avoid mistakes in Côte d'Ivoire here as a foreigner, a Ghanaian watching me. So yesterday, after visiting the police station and asking all the necessary information that my audience wanted, now, someone will be like, is this how the residential permit looks like? They'll give you at first, it's something like this, like a paper, right? Then you have to send it to the people who does the photocopies and other stuffs. There is one person right behind the police station that I visited, and that's where I was directed to. So he's going to use a plastic to wrap it in, so that in case it falls in water, you can still pick it up without any problem, and it will be difficult for a child a child to tear it. So you can see from 2003, 2004, so I have been renewing my residential permit because I don't want any problem. So I'll put a video of how the guy was putting the residential permit in a plastic. It was very, very interesting. So guys, I think this video is very informative. Whatever it is, just let me know in the comment section down below. And where are you watching me from? Are you also planning on visiting Côte d'Ivoire? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell icon so that whenever I do videos like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. Guys, make sure you support the channel. Very, very important for us. If this video helped you, like and share it to someone living in Côte d'Ivoire or someone who is planning to visit Côte d'Ivoire. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel for more real African content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.